Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Let us recall mode of a given data. What is mode? Mode is actually the value of the observation having the maximum frequency. What is mode? Mode is the value of the observation having the maximum frequency. In your lower classes you have learned how to find the mode of the given raw data. Here I am going to introduce you to find the mode of grouped data. How to find the mode of a grouped data? The formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower limit of the modal class. While doing problem, I will teach you how to find what is modal class. Okay, and F1 is the frequency of the modal class. F0 is the frequency of the modal class. F0 is the frequency preceding the modal class. F2 is the frequency succeeding the modal class. And H is the class size. H is the class size of the given table. H is nothing but the class size of the given table. So, how to find the mode of a grouped data? Using the formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, and where L is the lower limit of the modal class. You will be finding a modal class. Once you do the problem, you will understand what is a modal class. F1 is the frequency of the modal class, F0 is the frequency preceding the modal class, F2 is the frequency succeeding the modal class, and H is the class size of the given table. Let us see how to find the mode of the grouped data. Exercise 14.2, first question, they have given you a data where age of the patients and number of patients is given. This is the data of patients admitted in a hospital. That is age between 5 to 15 there are 6 patients, 15 to 25 there are 11 patients, 25 to 35 21 patients, 35 to 45 23 patients, 45 to 55 14 patients, and 55 to 65 5 patients. You have to find the mode of this given data. Before starting the mode or mean or median, always you have to check whether the class intervals are continuous. How to check that? The upper limit of the first class interval will be the lower limit of the second one, that is 15, and it starts with this is the upper limit of the first one 15, and that is the lower limit of the second class interval, and 25 here also 25, 35 35, 45 45, 55 55. So the class intervals are continuous and the class size is the same. What is class size? Class size is nothing but upper limit minus lower limit. Here wherever you check, 15 minus 5 is 10, 25 minus 15 is 10, 35 minus 25 is 10, 45 minus 35 is 10, 55 minus 45 is also 10, as well as 65 minus 55 is also 10. So the class size here is any one you can take and say class size is 10. That is nothing but your H. Now how to find the mode? For that we need the modal class. So what is modal class? In the given frequency, let us check which is the highest one. In 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5, which is the highest frequency? 23. So that class interval will be chosen as the modal class. In that whatever is the lower limit is your L. In that whatever is the frequency is your F1. And what is F0? the frequency preceding the model class. So, this is F0. What is F2? Frequency succeeding the model class. So, which is the model class? Whichever frequency is the highest, thus that class interval and frequency that together to be taken as model class. In that the lower limit is L and the frequency is F1, the preceding one is F0 and the succeeding one is F2. So, let us find the mode using the formula. What formula? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So, what is L here? What is L here? 35 plus what is F1? 23 minus F0 is 21 by 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14 into H is what? 10 we found. So, it is 35 plus what is 23 minus 21? 2 by 46 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. So, it is 35 plus 2 tens are 20 by 46 minus 35 is 11. So, let us find what is 20 divided by 11. If I divide 20 by 11, I get 11 ones are 11, 9, 11 eights are 88, again 11 ones are 11, 11 eights are 88, it keeps going. So, I get 1.818 etc. I get 1.818, it keeps going, that is I get 1.8181, it keeps going. So, what do? I take only up to 2 decimal place. So, I take 1.8 and this is greater than 5. So, I take it as 1.82. So, I get 36.82. What is the mode age they asked? Mode age. So, 36.82 years. Unit is very, very important. So, the answer is mode is 36.82 years. So, what is the mode? 36.82 years. Is it clear, children? Let us see one more problem where you have the expenditure and the number of families. So, what is that given? The following data gives the distribution of total monthly expenditure. So, this is the total monthly expenditure of 200 families. How many families they have given? 200 families. You have to find the mean monthly expenditure. What are you supposed to find? Find the mean monthly expenditure. We have to find the mean monthly expenditure. So, what is given here? Expenditure is given from 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000 and the number of families accordingly it is given. So, you have been given from 1000 to 5000. So, what is the first thing we have to check? Whether the class intervals are continuous. 1500, 1500, 2000, 2000, 2500, 2500, 3000, 3000, 3500, 4000, 5000. So, the class intervals are continuous. So, that is the first thing. Then we have to check the class size. So, what is the class size here? H is everywhere, wherever you check the class size is the same. So, 1500 minus 1000. So, I get 500. So, this is the class size. And what is that we have to do? We have to find the model class. How to find the model class? Which is the highest frequency in the given frequency? Which is the highest number? 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16 and 7. In that 40 is the highest. So, that should be chosen as the model class. In that whatever is the lower limit is your L and this is your F1 and the preceding one is F0 and the succeeding one is F2. Suppose the first number is the highest number, then you will not have anything preceding, so F0 will be 0. Suppose the last number is the highest frequency, then there won't be any frequency which is succeeding there, F2 will be 0. Okay. So, here we have to find the mode, here it is the mode monthly expenditure. We have to find the mode monthly expenditure. We have to find the mode monthly expenditure. So, what is mode? Formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So, what is L here? 1500 plus 40 minus 24 by what is 2 into F1 is 40 minus 24 minus 33 into H is 500. So 1500 plus what is 40 minus 24? 16 by 80 minus 57 into 500. So 1500 plus 16 into 500 is 8000. 16 5s are 80, 00 by 23. So let us divide 8000 by 23. 8000 divided by 23. 23 3s are 69. 23 5s it becomes 115. 23 4s are 92. So I get 18. I bring one more 0 down. So 23 6 are 7s are is 161. 8s are it becomes 184. So 7s are 161. So I get 19. I keep decimal point, I add a 0 and I try 23. 8s are is 184. So the 8s are 184. 6 I add a 0. Then 23 2s are 46. 23 2s are 46. So I get 14. I add a 0. Then again 23 5s are 100. 23 6 are 138. So 23 6 are 138 and it keeps going. So I get 347.826. So that is 1500 plus 347 point draw the rough column. Okay, so here you get 347.83. so it is 1847.83. since it is the expenditure, you have to write the units as rupees. So rupees 1847.83. so what is the mode monthly expenditure? It is rupees 1847.83. Mode monthly expenditure is equal to rupees 1847.83. Is it clear, children? Let me teach you one more problem in mode. Here they have given you the number of cars on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So number of cars 0 to 10 7, 10 to 20 14, 20 to 30 13, 30 to 40 12, 40 to 50 20, 50 to 60 12 11, 60 to 70 15, 70 to 80 8. Here again you have to find the mode of the data. You have to find the mode of the given data. So here again check the class intervals. Are they continuous? So 10 10, 20 20, 30 30, 40 40, 50 50, 60 60, 70 70. So the class intervals are continuous and you are supposed to find the class size. Check whether the class size is the same. Yeah, everywhere it is the same. So any one class interval you can take. So 10 minus 0 is 10. So this is the class size of the given data. So now we are supposed to find the mode. So how to find the mode? What is the formula for finding mode? Before that, what you are supposed to do actually? You have to find the modal class. So which is the modal class? So which is the highest frequency here? 14. Sorry, 20 is the highest frequency. So that will be chosen as the modal class. So in 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15 and 8, which is the highest frequency? 20. So that class interval together it is taken as modal class. So here the lower limit is L and the frequency is F1, the preceding frequency is F0 and the succeeding frequency is F2. So how to find the mode? Mode is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So what is L here? 40 plus what is F1? 20 minus what is F0? It is 12 by 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into H is 10. So 40 plus 20 minus 12 is 8 by 40 minus 23 into 10. So it is 40 plus 8 tens are 80 by 17. So divide 80 by 17. 17 fours are 68. 17 sevens are 119. 1 if you add a 0 also it becomes it is smaller. So 4.70. So it is 4.70. Then you can add a 0. 17 fives are 85 and it keeps going. So you get 4.705 dot dot dot. So here it can be written as 4.71 up to 2 decimal place. So 40 plus 4.71 will give you 44.71 cars. So 44.71 cars or 44.7 cars you can take. So this is how you find the mode of the grouped data. Hope it's clear, children.